and we got a flat tire. Shit. It's our first day of activity here in the Philippines, and we're right now, we have arrived at our first stop, which is the something waterfall, I don't remember the name. Inambakan waterfall. And the road here was quite interesting because we got a flat tire and had to walk to find a workshop, but we got lucky and found a guy who could help us. So we made it, and yeah, now we're here.
My name is Albin and I'm from Sweden. I'm a full-time student at Uppsala University. At the same time as I study, I try to travel the world and explore as much as I can. And this channel is supposed to inspire you and prove to you that you also can do it. So if you want to learn more about that, go in and check the channel to find out how I did it. If I can do it, you can do it.
Wow, we found it! Nah, just kidding. Boom! And the first waterfall is done. We've been told, or I think we read online, that there's supposed to be a different kind of level on this one though. So we're right now on our way to go up higher to see if there is more to it or not. I think this is the second level. The color of this water is, yeah, it's impressive. And we think that was level 2. So now we are on our way to see if there's a level 3 as well. Because if there is, there's supposed to be a case where we can go in. So come on. We found maybe the third level. But it was just, it wasn't very impressive because it was just a small jump. So we skipped it and are heading back down. Ow, wow, wow. I stepped on, I don't know what's it called, sparka I tån. I kicked my toe into the something. Anyway, yeah, so we're gonna head back down to the scooter and probably eat something because we haven't eaten all day and it's 1 p.m. so it's definitely time to eat, and then we're gonna try to find the next waterfall.
I'm falling fast, sitting here praying that this night's gonna last. You got it all on tap, I'm loving your vibe, always have your back. We like all the same tracks, listen all night in the sheets all black. Said I'm falling fast, don't remember life before you, that's facts. I feel good, you look great, I like you. I can't wait. Our first time, our first date.